Transfer to the parallel universe is complete.
Oh, finally! My childhood dream came true!
Welcome to April 14th, 1912, sir.
I'm exploring the Titanic! Oh, my friends will be so jealous! Whoa! There's so much water in here! And it's cold!
Don't worry, your protective suit can withstand even the coldest weather.
Okay, I can't wait to explore everything around here, but I probably should go upstairs.
Wise decision, sir.
Oh man, just look at these amazing paintings! It's so sad to leave them underwater.
High-class craftsmen worked on this ship, sir. Unfortunately, its architect, Thomas Andrews, sank along with the rest of the 1,500 passengers.
Oh, that's so sad.
The Titanic had 10 decks in total. Move upstairs and you'll reach the first class.
What's this strange wind? Wait, is this a tornado? My history teacher hid this tiny detail.
We're in a parallel reality, sir. Here, the Titanic was destroyed by a super powerful tornado.
Ooh, what a twist! Whoa, it's much windier here.
I would suggest you run away, sir. The chances to survive such a tornado are extremely low.
Oh, okay, I think I'm done with this adventure. Can you take me home now?
No, sir. The time travel is preset. It cannot be changed.
Oh, stupid autopilot. But what am I gonna do? Whoa! I've never been inside a tornado. Cool!
I'm so glad you're happy, sir.
Whoa! Wow! Check this out! But what about the other passengers?
They were evacuated a long time ago. Don't worry, no one was hurt.
Oh well. Let's go home, buddy.
I'm starting the return procedure, sir. Get ready.
Whoa! I've never seen anything like this!
Just try and stay afloat. We'll be with you soon.
You need to hurry! That tornado's getting closer!
We'll be as quick as we can.
I'm really struggling here. I'm plotting a course back home.
Copy that. We have your location.
It's a good thing I don't get seasick. Things are about to get bumpy. Whoa! That was close. Gotta keep going. Wow, I can't believe I made it.
Are you okay?
A little shaken up, but I'm still here.
Glad to hear it. That was a close call.
I think I might have a bigger problem. Tsunami! I have to get to the surface. Oh, the current's just too strong. I've got to get back to the yacht. Oh no, my yacht!
Looks like we're just in time.
I think my sailing days are over. I need a new hobby.
Any ideas?
Well, I've always wanted to fly helicopters. Oh, the sun is already rising. I must have dozed off. Wait a minute. Where are all the passengers? Hey! Whoa! What's going on here? Oh, I better get out of here. But where can I get a parachute? We're falling straight into the water! No! Oh, I'm alive. That's great, but where's my boat? Oh no. Well, it was rented. Well, hello there, Snake Island. Thousands of poisonous snakes live here. Ah! Stop hissing at me! Where's your hospitality? I need protection. This stick will be handy. There's a lighthouse on this island. First of all, I gotta get there and call for help. Here we go. I heard the population density here is 1 snake for 2 square meters. And 0 people, obviously. Phew. Seems like the threat's over. Ah! What's that? Anaconda? No! Leave me alone! Here's the lighthouse. Phew. I have only one idea. Let's just hope it works. Yeah! Nailed it! Sorry, buddy. I hope it doesn't hurt too much. Ah! Oh, finally I'm safe. Ah! That monster won't go away! I gotta find a better shelter. Well, it's better than nothing. Not so fast, Snake! Oh, no, get off me! Take this! Ouch! I hope that wasn't too painful. Okay, let's run upstairs. Like I have a choice. No! Just look at this snake's scale! Phew! Alright, I lied, but I might have a better plan. Hey, there's a rope! Seems like this plan is safer than going back downstairs. Wish me luck, Snake! Ah! Wow! I can't believe I'm still alive! Oh, come on! Give me a break, little monsters! If I survive this quest, my friends will never believe me. No! Get off me! No! Please, let me go! Ah! Whoa! What was that? Thanks! Ah! I want to live! I've got so many dreams to accomplish! Hey, wait a minute! You saved my life! I really appreciate it. Okay, let's leave this cursed island as soon as possible. Okay, what do we have here? Sorry, but I'm gonna have to borrow this kayak. Wish me luck! Ready or not, here I come! Whoa! Oh, nobody warned me about all these obstacles. Phew. I'm getting too old for this stress. Waterfall? Ah! Hey guys! I'm over here!
Great catch. Hey, boss, look what we've got here.
Well, great job, guys. We'll get a good ransom.
Huh?
Look out! Watch your heads!
I gotta get out of here! Phew! All my bones are intact. Guess today's my lucky day. Ah! Oh, it's you. Ouch!